box in combo box. The last we need is let's design it. Now we are adding column to the data variable. To the name of this document. Properties of data variable. Auto size fill कर दिया and now this is now we go and run it. We have to change this to let's okay it's okay. Now what we have to do, we first we enter the data and then it show into the grid view. Okay, enter the data and then show the in combo box. Add the items. Add items. First is if not active. Two items we added into the combo box. Let's go and run it. Yes, it's working perfectly. Now what we have to do the next, we enter into the text box in combo box and it gives the result into this. So this is the save button and go to the save button. So first of all what we have to create a connection of database using system dot data dot SQL client. Okay, now for what we have, we create a connection of the database. For this I just copy it from my previous, just copy it and paste it into here. We can use it into this button, but its scope is only in this button, so it's better that you use this connection out of any private button. It's show the connection, use the connection publicly, that you can access whenever you want. So what to next is insert. We have to insert the text. So first what we have to is the create the variable name. So string name, okay, name text. Go back and just give the name to these text boxes. Okay, name to these text, it's important. Text name, okay, and this is the text yeah, and that's enough. Go back and now text name, what we have, text, yes, dot text. Okay, next string status equal to text dot what we have selected dot to string, because we are using here combo box. So for this, now what SQL insert into category name values and category status. Now connection is open, giving the command, and SQL command we are giving the string and connection string and the string query string. After that, add with parameters, it show the result, and then we execute non query. So let's go and check it whether it is working or not. Okay, name is mobile PHP active, and yes, well, it's working. Yes, we can go and see in our database category. What is this? No, we don't need this. We need this. Yeah, PHP. Recently we added PHP, so it is showing because I have created this table before, and it is working. Okay, it's very bad. I always do this to close the here not active, and here 0. The difference of is only we if we use selected item, then it give the item. If we selected index, then it give the selected index. So this is the only that it is done to save. Now what is the next thing to do is that the data we are saving, it show into the grid box. So for that, what we have to do, we go back and create a function name of data grid view, grid load. Okay, here first what we have to, we load the data. So for that, what is necessary, select data from database and load into the grid view. So for that, what we have, SQL create SQL command from database, give it. Now what's is it loading the data into the, let's go and check it. It's not working because we are not calling this while we initialize the form. Call the function here. Now it loading the data. Yes, it's perfectly working perfectly. Now this is saving the data into the database, showing the data into the grid. And now next what we have to do, the next is to work on edit and delete button. When we click on edit, the data go to these text boxes, and we can first thing to have to do to click button, and the data of that respective button is gone into the text box, and after that we can edit. So first what we have to do, we show the data into the text boxes from the grid view. Okay, so for that, we create a function. For that, select it and go to the event, and what event, cell this event. Yes, yeah, in this we have to do if e dot column index equal to data grid view dot columns, edit dot index, and dot row index is greater 0, and yes. So in this we have, what we have to do, we show the data into the text boxes. For that purpose, with for that we have create the id function, get id function. So for that, public void get id, giving the parameter to this id, a id, and this. Now for this, what we have to do, we create the connection, same sqr equal to select at Eric from table name is, we have a little mistake, What is the table name? This is the table name. Control copy. Hmm, come here from this. We where id equal to this id, this id equal to this id which we clicked. Okay, id is equal to this. For that, what we have to no. Okay, this. Okay, now what is next? Cmd equal to new sql command and sql and code. Okay, for to it is for to load. So what we have, str use sql data reader equal to cmd dot execute reader, and this. For that we have to open the connection first, open the connection, and then now what we have this. So str, so we are uh, checking it. So for that, mm, hold on. Okay, we are showing the data from data grid to text boxes. For this, what we have to do. After that, we go to our this, call this function over here. Before that, mm, but we have more is equal to false, and then first what we have, we give the id to that data grid view dot mm, mm, so you current row dot sum what was string, yes, and now call the get id function. Get and give the parameter, because so this is now check it whether it is working or not. I hope it is working. So yes, it is working. Now what is the next to do? When we click on these and save again, that data is updated, means for edit button. So first step is completed to show the data into these text boxes is complete. Now next is how to update. Go for this. What we have to do is in this query here we can create condition if more is equal to true, then else this part is should work. This part should work. In this part we are updating. If we are entering the data first and this part working, this part should work. And if we the click on the edit button and the data come into the text boxes, this part is working. Okay, so for this what we have to do is do x and come into here, and is why it is showing the error is showing the error, and over x and enter. Yes, now the error are removed. Clear. So here as part, create a query update, set this and this, create a connection, open the connection and give these parameters to that. So for that, let's have whether it is working or not. I hope it is not working because I missed something. What I missed is, yes, I missed this id is data view dot where is I passed I this copy and pass it here. Data grid view grant rows are string. So check it while it is working or not. To showing the data into the text boxes, that is done. Now the next part is to edit this and SEO1 if okay there is error. So what is the error? Let's get check. Yeah, object reference not set to an instance of an object. Go and check it. Yeah, it's working. The code is updated and we'll go back and check it whether it is, yeah, DS2. The record is updated. Yes. Okay. Now what we have to do? Now next what we have to do is to click this delete, same like, and the data is deleted. For this what we have to do, let's go and check. We just on this cell content click, go here else if take this line, copy and paste here. So I'll just okay, where we used edit, change it, delete, right? Now here we use QSQL select delete from temporary where id equal to this id. So create SQL command cmd equal to and this flow. Now what gave it to this and now execute it, whether it is working or not. Yes. Click, yeah, record is deleted. Go back to and check the non-active part is deleted, and yes, the data on 8 item number 8 is deleted. So I hope you understand and you learn. For the next tutorial, we in next we have to work on publisher. So thank you for watching. Keep watching.